to join a Skype meeting with an ID. So if you want to join a Skype meeting with an ID, then what you need to do is first, if you have your Skype application, then you can just open up the application. If you don't have it, you can just go with your browser, search for Skype, and then make sure to log into your Skype on your browser. You can go with open Skype in your browser and sign in. Wait for a few seconds till it loads, and now you will have this kind of interface, right? So what you need to do is just simply go with calls option, which is on the bottom left, and from here you can start a meeting or you can create a link, right? So you just need to simply go with create Skype link, which is on the right side, and here you will have two options: start a new meeting or join with a link. So if you want to join a Skype meeting, then you just need to simply go with join with a link, and you need to enter the Skype link. Or you can also start your own meeting. But if you have the ID or the link, then you just need to simply enter the link right here and then tap on join and you will be joined. So that's how you can join a Skype meeting with an ID or a link. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.